One of the misconceptions I've heard about estate planning and trusts in particular is that they're for wealthy individuals or wealthy families, and that's actually not necessarily the case. So, today I wanted to talk more about trusts so you can see why they could be a beneficial tool for you when you do your estate plan. Now, at a high level, there's two types of trusts. There's revocable trusts and there's irrevocable trusts. With revocable trusts, which are commonly referred to as living trusts, one of the benefits is that they help avoid probate, which, as you know from watching my previous posts, and I'm sure you watched them all, probate can be a time-consuming, costly, and it's a public process. So for those reasons, many people try to avoid it. One of the other benefits of a revocable trust is that the trust maker oftentimes is also the trustee and therefore maintains control of the assets and can modify the terms of the trust relatively easily. So regardless of your wealth status, a revocable trust is a very popular option because it helps avoid probate and allows the trust maker to maintain control of the assets. Now, with an irrevocable trust, that's also going to help avoid probate, but the trust maker transfers assets out of their control. And the reason they do that is to help potentially reduce their estate tax liability and or maximize asset protection from creditors. But an irrevocable trust is called irrevocable because it's very difficult to change. And that's because the trust maker is transferring the assets out of their control. So regardless of your situation, there's revocable trusts and there's irrevocable trusts, but they're often preferred over a will because they avoid probate and provide the benefits that I mentioned before. So we're here to help you navigate those complexities and make those decisions, but ultimately, trusts can be a very beneficial tool for you when you do your estate plan.